We love Hakka to enrich your Taiwan experience. Learn about Hakka language and culture.
每天收听客家风情，学习另一种不同文化，让你生活更有趣。
Hakka food reflects its people, hardworking. The Hakka have often struggled to develop desolate areas, requiring a diet which is rich and fatty for energy and salty to help fight dehydration while toiling in the fields. But their cooking is also flavorful, ensuring that the meal is filling for a long day on the job. A good example of this cooking is roasted pig's feet, which are stewed in soy sauce and dried garlic. This culinary philosophy, built on hearty cooking that's both good to eat and not ornate, is evident in Liu Dui foods from southern Taiwan. Favorite foods in this cooking style include salty chicken casserole, salted mustard greens, mian pa ban, a kind of rice noodles, and stir-fried pork with green onions and dried cuttle.
Hello and welcome to our Hakka lesson. 我係大衛，你好，大家好。
Hello， 你好，大家好，我係 Alice 彭。
講得還可以吧？哦，
做得，
做得。Okay, now today we're going to talk about what time is it? 現在幾點鐘？
廿下幾多點？
廿下幾多點？Say that one more time.
廿下幾多點？
廿下幾多點 What time is it? Let's say it's 1 o'clock. 一點。
一點。
一點。Oh, that's easy. 一點。2 o'clock.
兩點。
2點。2 o'clock. 2點。3 o'clock.
三點。
3點。3點。4點。4 o'clock.
四點。
4點。5 o'clock.
五點。
5點。6點。
六點。
6點。6 o'clock. 7 o'clock.
七點。
7點。那個跟台語一樣嘛？
七點吼。
7點。
懂槍啦。
懂槍啦。Very similar to Taiwanese. 8 o'clock.
八點。
8點。8點。9 o'clock.
九點。
9點。9點。10點。
十點。
10 o'clock. 11點。
11點。
11 o'clock. 12點呢
12點。
12 o'clock. Okay, so practice and enjoy the lesson. This is David Wong. Thank you very much for listening.
什麼大家按仔細講來了。
Okay, we'll see you next time.
客家风情由行政院客家委员会监制，邀您一起体验另一种不同的客家文化之美。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Commission of the Executive Yuan to enrich your Taiwan experience.